Good evening, all of you. This chapter is ellipse. So, in this x-axis and y-axis, x-axis is major axis, y-axis is minor axis. That means x-axis is longer axis, y-axis is smaller axis. So, x-axis is called major axis. So, y-axis is called lower axis. So in the fixed point is S is a fixed point, and P is, this is P is moving point. So in this x-axis, the P is moving on this way and join and meet this P point. So this is called ellipse. So in ellipse, A dash, A dash, A dash is called length of the major axis. This is major axis. A dash is called length of the major axis. Length of the major axis A dash is equal, this C to A is A, C to A dash is also A plus A is equal to A. In the same way, length of the minor axis B dash, C to B is B, C to B dash is B, B plus B 2B. So length of the minor axis is 2B. So first of all, you listen and carefully. A dash is major axis. This is major axis. B dash is minor axis. In this case, first case is y axis is minor axis, x axis is major axis. So the length of the major axis is 2a, length of the minor axis is 2b. So S is a fixed point. So S is a fixed point called locus. Locus S equals to fixed point is called the locus. S is called locus. This is a fixed point, and it does not change. So next you can learn what is that eccentricity. What is that spelling? Eccentricity. Eccentricity E. Eccentricity E equals to SP by PM. SP, this is SP, this is PM. SP by PM, this is one type of ratio. This ratio is also constant. Eccentricity E equals to SP by PM. This ratio is constant. Eccentricity E equals to SP by PM. SP by PM. SP by PM is called eccentricity. What is that? Eccentricity E equals to SP by PM. SP by PM. So this is called fixed ratio. Eccentricity E equals to eccentricity. Eccentricity E equals to SP by PM. E equals to SP by PM is eccentricity. S means locus, fixed point. Next you have see this one Z. This is Z dash. In this case you have to draw the perpendicular line, straight line. It is called Z. Z is perpendicular line, that is called directrix. What is this pronunciation? Directrix. Directrix means fixed straight line is called the directrix. Fixed straight line is called the directrix. S dash fixed point, Z dash directrix. Z dash is directrix. Z by the perpendicular line, Z dash is also one perpendicular line. This is called directrix. Next, equation of ellipse in the standard form is ellipse. This is called ellipse. Ellipse standard formula of equation. Equation of the standard formula of ellipse. Equation of ellipse in standard form is. Equation of ellipse in standard form is. Equation of ellipse is standard form. Equation of ellipse standard form. Equation of ellipse standard form. This is a standard form is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. This is called like a intercept formula. What is that? X by a plus y by b equals to 1. In the same way, ellipse standard equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. In this case, you have a is greater than b. How can you say a is greater than b? A means, what is that? Length of the major axis. This is a plus a. This is b plus b. So, this length is, and a is greater than b. Major axis is greater than lower axis. In the x-axis is major axis, y-axis is lower axis. So x-axis means a. So a is greater than b. When a is greater than b, the x-axis is major axis. That is called a is greater than b. That formula, you know, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this center is C is goes to origin, that is 0 to 0. Next foci f equals to plus or minus AE. A means this length and E means eccentricity, SP by PM. AE 0. Plus or minus means plus AE 0 and minus AE 0. Directrix X formula plus or minus A by E, and one is A by E, second one is minus A by E. E means eccentricity. What is the formula of eccentricity? Eccentricity formula is root of whole root of a square minus equation of ellipse standard formula is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That is a is greater than b. So a is a major axis, b is lower axis, that is y axis. Length of the center origin is a center, that is OO. Foci formula plus or minus AE 0. Foci formula AE 0. Directrix X equals to plus or minus A by E. E means eccentricity. Eccentricity E equals to root of A square minus B square by A square. That is eccentricity formula. Eccentricity formula E equals to root of A square minus B square by A square. Eccentricity formula root of A square minus B square by A square. This is A is greater than B, so this formula is used. E equals to root of A square minus B square by A square. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum L dash. Length of lattice rectum 2B square by A. So when you are using the formula A is greater than B. When A is bigger than B, denominator is bigger value, so A value. In the same way, B is greater than A, B is bigger than A, so denominator is B, numerator is smaller value. So length of the lattice rectum, numerator is smaller value, denominator is bigger value. So denominator is not square, numerator is square. 2b square, if A is greater than B, 2b square by A square. When b is greater than a, that is formula is 2a square by b. Find out the small difference numerator and denominator. Next condition for a straight line y is equal to mx plus b tangent to the ellipse. Ellipse tangent means touching line. We have write touching line, then the tangent to the ellipse c square y is equal to mx plus c. This formula c square equals to a square into m square plus b square. C square equals to a square plus m square plus b square. This is tangent to the ellipse. The condition is the equation of the tangent at p x1 y1 to the ellipse. Ellipse tangent equation. Ellipse tangent equation. When the ellipse is s equals to 0, then the tangent formula equals to s11 is equal to 0. What is the formula? S11 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to 0. That formula is S1 is equal to 0. The equation of the tangent at P x1 y1 to the ellipse S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. That formula is S1 is equal to 0.